So, welcome back to another update on my free Unity tool that uses ChatGPT. Last time I've been showing you how you can use my tool in order to create scripts completely without programming, just by providing a short description of what it should do. And in this video, I'd like to present its new feature to you that enables you to create sprites and textures both transparent and opaque without having to hire anybody, including yourself. But before we start, please make sure to subscribe if you want to get notified on my new updates on it. So you can find this new version completely for free in the description. And as soon as you open it, you'll find out that this new Create Sprite or Texture tab has been added. In here, you will see these two default options for the name of our new sprite or texture and like what it should display. For example, an ambitious programmer like you and me. And now let's see what happens. If I click Create Sprite, then your new sprite will be added wherever you want it, and you can see this output message right here. And it may then look like this, for example. And since it's generated by AI, you can be sure that without having to change the description, the output images will remain non-deterministic. So if you don't like it, you can simply create multiple ones and take the one you like the most. But let's say I want to have a sprite or texture that's transparent. Then I can change the description, like this for example, and go to advanced settings, where I can also change the size of the image if I want. And then I can change like the maximum brightness of the pixels, like that, so that the errors that pass this measure will be cut. And now let's see what this one will look like. And now I can see, like if I open this one, that it's indeed transparent just as we wanted. So finally, let's try out creating a texture. So I'm gonna enter something like this, and I will get an awesome looking texture that meets my specifications. And for instance, I can now use this tool in combination with the Create Script tool and generate a script like that. Send this one right here to create an overall awesome workflow as a developer, so I can now focus on the things that I love. And one last thing, you can find your API key on OpenAI's Quick Start page right here. Again, you will find this entire package for free in the description, and feel free to leave some gratitude by supporting our community on Patreon if you like, where I will give our members early access to all of my Unity projects. And I'll be seeing you on the next update.